Welcome to educational live trade video for the day. So today I trade on IRCTC. So I'll be showing you where I took the entry, where I took the exit and a lot of other things. So watch the video till the end. So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to buy IRCTC in the market level now around 720 to 721. I just bought it now. So let's see how the stock will perform today. And I'm planning to keep the target up to 4 or 5 points. So this is a trade what I've taken according to my study and the strategy. So let's see how the stock will perform. And as of now, the market is in a bullish way again. So it's almost 0.40% up. The market is trading somewhere near 20,900, close to 21,000. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So this is a trade what I've taken according to my strategy. Okay. So if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my unique and personal intraday trading course today. In my course, I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. Okay, and also you get all these advantages once you join us, and I'll be guiding you with my years and years of experience to make you as a profitable trader. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades and see years of live trading what I've uploaded. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, yes, by being said that, now we are back to the trade, and as you guys can see here, the stock has already made a high of 723.70 as of now, and I'm just waiting for it to go up. So somewhere around 727 or 728, somewhere around there, I'll just plan to take my exit by booking almost 4 to 5 points. Okay, so yes, IRCTC stock is in a good support where the buyers can come in. So I'm just waiting for that momentum to get going. Okay, so we are still waiting for the stock to go up. So let me just wait for it, and once it goes up, I'll just update you guys where I'll be taking the exit and everything. Okay, so 721 as of now. So let's just wait for some time and I'll update you guys where I'm taking the exit and everything, so you can watch the video till the end. And also, as you guys can see here, we are trading without indicators. Yes, so we are trading without indicators. We don't use any kind of indicators here. So if you guys want to learn all this kind of techniques and strategy which are very simple without indicators, and if you guys want to learn how to execute all these kinds of strategies, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me, and I'll be guiding you even in live market to make correct trades. Okay, so yes, now the stock is trying to go up. So it's trading around 72 now, if you guys can see. So let's just wait for this breakout to happen and wait for the stock to go up. So yes, now the buyers are coming in. If you guys can see here, the movement is happening. So let me just wait for some time. Okay, so we got a breakout here, guys, with a good strength of volume which is coming. 724 now almost, if you guys can see. So getting closer to 725. So guys, yes, the volatility has begun now. So it is almost closer to the target. I'll just try to take the exit here. Okay. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has made a high of 731.20 almost. So I bought it around 721. So the stock went almost 10 points up within 5 to 8 minutes. Okay. So this was a very quick trade, and I've taken my exit here. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of ISETC. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.